How to see sensitive content on Twitter or X. What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily enable the settings where you can see sensitive contents on Twitter. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Alright, let's begin. So this option is not available on the app, so you will have to use your web browser. So first of all, just open any web browser you have and log into your Twitter account there. So just search for x.com and make sure to log into your account. So as you can see, I'm using Google Chrome now. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. From here you have settings and privacy, so just tap on it. Now it will open up your account settings. All you have to do now is head over to privacy and safety. And on this section, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see different options right here. Now you want to find this section where it says content you see, so just tap on it. And you just have to enable this option, display media that contains sensitive content. So you just have to make sure that this option is selected. And once you do that, you should be able to view any kind of sensitive content on your Twitter's page. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on the next one.